All right, so let's search how to fill acrylic nails at home.
Let's get started. So my friend Laura here, I've known for a very long time, since she was a little baby. She has beautiful hands and she loves nails. So ever since you were a teen, I guess. Although I polished your nails when you were a little kid too. This is true. This is the design we did last. We have a gel polish on here. I always wear a mask because the dust particles, I don't want it to be, you know, breathing in my lungs all the time.
I don't have a mask.
I don't want it to be, you know, breathing in my lungs all the time. Pretty good grip on them. I call them teeth. And this is probably a medium to a coarse. And that is going to cut into the gel polish and take it off. You do not...
Okay, so she's basically filing the nail polish off. And it looks like she has some kind of like metal drill bit. I don't have the exact same one that she has. So I'm just gonna use like, I guess maybe something like this, because I don't have the one she has. So she says to use the drill bit to take the nail polish off. So let's just try and see what happens. I'm gonna turn this little guy on. Okay, let's see. I'm a little bit scared. I feel like this isn't really doing anything. She said it's supposed to take the nail polish off, but I don't know. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit coming off now. Oh, it's coming off. Yay. Oh, it stinks. I am so scared right now to like hurt myself. It hit the ow! It hit the ow! I'm scared.
One eternity later.
Ow! Okay, I think I did it. Look at all the gel polish. That is so cool. Yeah. So I think I did a pretty good job at taking the nail polish off. I just changed drill bits to a little bit of a different one, and I'm gonna just try to take the nail polish off of all the nails. So I'm gonna just fast forward through this part because it's kind of like just the same thing. Ow! Except for when I cut myself. Ow! I burned myself. I'm sweating. Like literally my armpits are sweating. Ouchie. Ugh. The only reason why I'm not giving up is because I don't want to look crazy with... But this is really hard. Ow! Ow! Oh!
So it's really on how you use it. Yes, you can use a drill. You just have to use it properly.
The drill gets hot at times. You know, it did hurt. I was able to take the nail polish off of all of the nails. So let's go ahead and continue watching Suzie. All right, Suzie girl, tell me what I have to do next. Okay, this is all the nail polish garbage. I feel so professional. I'm so professional. Let me take another paper towel.
And I'm going to change my bit now to this one. This is a mandrel. See the silver post? Her cuticles are actually quite pushed. Do you push them back on a regular basis? You do? I do. Oh, wow. Wow, you get a little star. Thank you.
I don't push my cuticles back on a regular basis.
Get a little star. Thank you.
I don't get a star.
So what you want to do is you want to go around the cuticle.
Okay, around the cuticle.
Just gently.
And just gently buff the natural nail. Okay. On every nail. So buff the natural nail. And a little bit on the fake acrylic nail. And if you see any lifting, buff that away too. Right?
This one feels so much better, like it doesn't hurt. It's super gentle.
What are you talking about, Susie? There we go. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing. Oh, she's wiping. She's wiping. What are we wiping? What did we do?
Okay. With the powder.
Cleanse and prime. We're going to cleanse and prime. No, the acrylic just broke. The acrylic, the whole thumb just broke. Alright, so she said to get a lint-free something and alcohol. I don't think I have alcohol, but I have this. Then she said to clean the nails with this stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so she says to apply the primer right to the cuticle. And she said it's okay if it touches a little bit of the acrylic. So...
But you don't want to oversaturate
okay.
the nail.
Now what? Okay, so she's starting to filling the nails. She said to use an oval 8 brush. One is, I think I got this from Sally's or whatever it's called. Oh, I can't get it out. Hello. Even the brush is like, no girl, what are you doing? It doesn't want to come out. There. I just broke it, whatever. It's been in the drawer for like 2 years, so okay. So it looks like she is dipping the brush into the purpley stuff, which is whatever was in here. Oh, so strong. I need a paper towel. I have the purple stuff, now what? Dipping the brush. And then she's doing this. And then she's going into her powder. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Take a little bit of this and I guess I'm gonna pour it in here. So what did she do?
And then I'm going to go over to my powder and I'm going to release that guy.
She made it look so easy. Okay, filled with liquid. Ball. Oh my god, that's a big ball. Release that guy. Oh my god, it's too big. Wait, what did she do? Release it. It released. Flatten it down.
Really focusing on my cuticle here.
Oh my gosh, this is too hard. I used way too much. Ugh, what a mess. Looks like somebody threw up on my nail. Okay, I can feel it on my skin. Maybe it needs more liquid. The barrel of the brush? I don't know. I don't know. I need to make this flat. This is not good. Okay, let me clean my skin. It's all over my cuticle. Oh my god, I used too much. These nails are doing me a heck right now. Way too much. Okay, I'm kind of doing it. It's kind of looking good. What do you guys think? I'm doing it. Look at me. I'm a professional. I'm just doing this quick voiceover to pop in here and show you guys what an amazing nail artist I am. So just enjoy this little clip. Okay. Obviously, you guys don't need to watch Suzie anymore because here's the new professional in town. Look at my nails. These are so amazing. I am gonna do my nails every single day. I mean, every single week of my life. Yeah, this is basically what they all look like. She said it takes a lot of practice. All of the acrylic touched my finger, and Suzie said not to let it touch your cuticle, but I don't know how to get it to stop doing that. These look so bad. It looks like candle wax was just like melted onto my fingernails. I don't know. Let's see what else Suzie tells me to do, but these nails are beyond saving. I did a horrible job. So let me see what I can do to make them look a little bit decent. So let's see what Suzie says. But this was a big fail. Big fail. Big fail. She makes it look so easy. Okay, so she gets the drill again, and she's using another metal drill bit. And then she's just kind of drilling down the acrylic that she put down and making it look super nice. I think I'm gonna have to show up at my nail lady this week and just tell her what I tried to do. Hopefully she won't be mad at me, but yeah, let me try to do this, and maybe I'll bring you guys along with me when we go. All right, let me try to do this. There's no saving these nails. These nails are, ow! Oh, that hurt. I should have never tried to do this. Why is it making that noise? Do you guys hear that? All right, I give up. I cannot do this anymore. Look at, I got so much acrylic under this nail and it's like stuck to my finger. Literally stuck to my finger. So I'm gonna stop this right now. They're horrible. I can't even believe that I tried to do this. This is really hard. So hats off to you guys that know how to do nails, because this shit is hard, okay? I thought Suzie makes it look so easy. Like, she makes it look so easy. I really thought I could do this. I even got gel. I really want to try like learning how to do gel, but that's probably going to be just as hard. Let me know if you guys want me to try gel next time, maybe in like another month, but I'm going to bring you along with me when I go to my nail lady. I will text her tomorrow morning and see if she has an appointment. Hopefully she won't be mad at me, but for right now, I'm going to say bye. I'll see you guys later on this week or tomorrow to see what happens at the nail salon. Bye.
Tomorrow.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, you 50 mani-pedi gel, $50. And another gel manicure, 25. Another pedicure.
Yeah, it was in the dryer. So you have to...
Oh, you're great.
Thank you. Okay, do you want to see what I did?
Chị xong chưa gì lấy?
No,
What you did? What happened? What the hell? You crazy.
I tried to do them myself.
Oh my God.
For a YouTube video.
I will kill you.
And then look what happened here. I filed them too. Oh, and I cut myself like 4 times.
Oh my God. Why you let mommy do that? Alex, she killed me.
I had to fix it.
Oh, I have to. You come here.
They're so bad.
Come on, Paula. I mean, cut away. They don't look that bad.
No, they're bad. They're bad.
Oh my God.
I got it on my fingers. Look,
How long take you do that?
like 2 hours.
Nó bụng lên tay nó từ lưu hụt vui nè, cho em giết nó quá. Lót. Em bị kill her.
Do you have to take them all off?
Let me see, maybe I can fix it.
Okay.
What she have on her nail fill, right?
Yeah, acrylic.
Hey, Tina, can I help you?
The after. What would you do if I come back next week and I try to do them myself again?
I will kill you.
Okay. The lady that did Lexi's nails did such a good job. Let me see the other hand. She was really good. Yeah, look at Lexi's nails. They're beautiful. All right, you guys. So these are my nails. This is not what they originally looked like, but when I got home after Tina did them is that I just took a little buffer, I made them matte, and I also reshaped them so that they are a little bit pointier. This is something that I do every single time that I go to her. In the area that we live in, we don't have a lot of places that like know how to do stiletto or coffin shaped nails. So I do shape them myself at home, and Tina's actually fine with it. She actually compliments me every single time, and she says that I do a really good job at shaping them. So anyway, that's like the only thing that I know how to do with nails, but I just really wanted to try to do it because I got all of this stuff for Christmas 2 years ago because I really wanted to try to get into doing nails. So I really wanted to just like try, but anyway, I just wanted to show you what they look like. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you had fun watching this mess of a video. Don't forget to follow us all over social media, especially on Instagram, because I do post a lot of things that you guys won't get to see here. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Love you guys so much, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye. My enemies. Hi, enemies. All right, bye guys.